This is the total breakdown of what I make in a month as a sales trainer / business owner, with taxes, commission, how I pay employees, absolutely everything that you guys have been asking me about. So to give some context, an average deal size for me is around $15,000. However, some are smaller and some are a lot larger. I have some huge proposals out right now for some big time clients. Now, what I make every single month is completely up to me. There's no one else that is contributing to this number. I am the only seller, and I would say on average, I close anywhere from like 35 to even sometimes 70K a month. There are definitely months that have been way more than that, and there's definitely months that have actually been under the 30K. It truly just depends. Now, a lot of people come after me in terms of taxes, but just to set the scene, I married a tax accountant, okay? So when you guys are like, you haven't taken enough out, you haven't even considered taxes, no, we have. And I got this guy over here doing all my books. I am very lucky. Now, we're really conservative when it comes to what we take out for taxes. So I would say that's about 40% right there every single month. And then on top of that 40% that I pay towards taxes, I pay my employees either on a retainer monthly basis or project basis. So those are the two ways that get paid. So for example, in September, I had a $45,000 month, and minus taxes and then everything I took out to pay my team, I took home about $27,500. Now, October is different, and Q4 is my busiest time of year just because a lot of companies like to spend their L&D and sales enablement budget in Q4. So October, we've already closed over 50K, and we're not even halfway through the month. Now, revenue comes in to me in two ways: from SellingSara, which are my live trainings that I do for my clients in person and virtual. And then secondly are my brand partnerships that I do through my content creation. And brands typically will pay you out after 40 days once you've posted the video. So those brand partnerships, I'm like getting paid for some of the ones that I did in the beginning of the summer, mid-summer right now. So you have to take into account timing for those. So you could have like a really massive month where all of a sudden all your money came in through your brand partnerships, but you could have done these brand partnerships like 3 months prior. Payment terms really range with brands, but that's okay because my main business is SellingSara, and that's pretty much the bulk of a lot of my revenue each month. But when the brands come in, those are good months because it's SellingSara sales training revenue plus brand partnership revenue. That is a full breakdown. I haven't done one of those in quite some time. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I'll do another video on this.